Just showing the difference between a Juke Nismo 7x18 wheel with a 225/45 on and a Nissan 350Z 8.5 by 18-inch wheel with a 245/45 on. You can see it's quite a bit of difference there. Obviously the 8x18 Nissan 350Z wheel will be better with the 225s on, although you can see there's a massive difference there between the two wheels and tyres. This is also comparing the 350Z Nissan wheel with the 225/45 on, and it's 8-inch by 18, so it's smaller than the other wheel I've just put on, and the normal Juke Nismo wheel 7x18 again with a 225/45 on. And just see, because of the wheel difference, yeah, you can just tell there that even though it's the same tyres, that one's a wider wheel. This is also what it looks like with the 18x8.5-inch wheel from the 350Z with the 245/45 on. Actually, it doesn't really stick out. It's actually, well, just slightly from the fender look. I don't think that's really too bad. Really, probably sticks out about 3/4 of an inch from the fender well. I think I'm going to put 8.5 by 18s on all the way around with 245s on and see how it goes. And I'll take it on some track days. I think it looks quite well, to be honest. Okay, got the Nismo wheel back on, and you can see the difference. Yeah, even though this is lowered, you've got a large gap. The arch gap is bigger, and it's probably 2 inches at the top. Sitting? Oh no, about a quarter, 3/4 an inch, something like that. Yeah, I think the offset of these is 47. I'm not sure. Whereas the 350Z, the 8.5-inch ones, by 18, I think the offset on there is 33. I'm not sure. You'll have to check that yourselves. Keep these on for a while until the tyres are worn down. This one, as I've tried, is the 8x18 Nissan 350Z wheel, and that's with a 225/45 on. That actually does sit better than the 8.5-inch one with the 245s on. Whether it be better for track day racing or grip, I don't know. But there you go. A lot of people put the 18x8s on. I think the offset on that one is 30. I'm not sure, you're going to have to check. I know one of them's 30 and one of them's 33. It does look better, I think, how it sits. Unless with the other one I might just put slightly bigger arches on. Well, overall, that's what the Nissan Juke does look like with 350Z wheels on, which is, I think, better than the Nismo alloys, although other people think differently. And them are the Nismo wheels, 7x18 with 225s on. Yeah, I still prefer these. I think they fill out the arches better.